Please join us on our bicycle tour of the greater Berlin area. Anything to add, Owen? This wind. Okay, we haven't really started our biking tour yet, but the heavens have opened. And first stop of our German Berlin tour is at this exotic German coffee shop. So much for our bike tour. Guess we'll just spend the rest of the day standing here. Check out this guy's sweet outfit. Say he wants a hot dog, bam, hot dog. Say he needs ketchup, right there. We are riding out the storm from up here. Not terribly exciting. This green light's kind of amazing though. Ready? And there it goes. It's like magic. We're on a train now. Our bike tour was an abysmal failure. We abandoned our bikes and don't know where we're going.